Okay, so that's pretty much our furnace checkup. We want to do is check the air filter, make sure that's clean. I have checked it already, it needs to be replaced. Inducer fan motor, make sure that's operated within the amps of the data plate. Check the combustion cycle. So we're gonna check, make a hole here, and check the combustion cycle, the air coming out of here to the roof line. That's gonna give us, how it's burning, if it's burning how it should be. So you want to check, make sure the drain, it's pitched right, there's no loose connections on there. And then just check the overall temperature split. This furnace is operating how it should. Just one recommendation is change out the blower motor. We need to recommend a new motor.